10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hello student, welcome again in our new period. So yesterday we have discussed about theorem number 6. Let again quickly repeat it. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is the two line AB and CD intersect to each other at the point O. This is the proof of the theorem. Two lines intersect each other, AB and CD intersecting at O. Then AOC and BOD, pair of angles, and AOD and BOC. We need to angle AOC and BOD are equal, AOD and BOC are equal, and then using linear pair of axiom we finally prove that theorem. See here again. AB and CD intersect at the point O, and AOC and BOC, this and this are linear pair angles. So sum of these two angles 180. Then AOC and AOD, this both. Then this is first, this is second. First minus second is equal to BOC. And similarly BOC and BOD. So this is 180. Subtract one from third from 1. So finally AOC and BOD. Okay. This is just I have repeat. Now new. What is new today? See here. Okay, this is the example. Number first, in the given figure, lines PQ and RS intersect each other at the point O. See here. First try to understand the figure. PQ and RS intersect each other at the point O. Given that angle POR ROQ is equal to 5:7. Find all the angles. Find all the angles. Okay. So let us start. POR is this angle. ROQ is this angle. Now yesterday you have studied that linear pair of adjuncts of linear pair. Remember, when a ray stands on a line, then the adjacent angle sum is 180. Okay. So there is a line PQ and a ray OR stand on line PQ. See here. This is line PQ and this is ray OR stand on line PQ. That's why these two angles are adjacent angle, and sum of adjacent angle POR plus ROQ is equal to 180. I think you understand. Remember, this is, say, equation number first. Okay. Now we have given that POR. Okay, let me write this here. POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180, number first. Okay. Now what we have given is this. Therefore, angle POR divided by 5, angle ROQ divided by 7 is equal to, suppose, x. Say it is x. So therefore, angle POR divided by 5 is equal to x, and angle ROQ divided by 7 is equal to x. Therefore, angle POR is equal to 5x and angle ROQ is equal to 7x. Now take sum of this. Angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 5x plus 7x is equal to 12x. Say this is second. Now see here, what is first? POR plus ROQ is equal to 180. Here POR plus ROQ is equal to 12x. So now let me from first and second result, you can write that 12x, because left hand side are equal, POR plus ROQ. Here is POR plus ROQ. So we can compare right hand side, and therefore x is equal to 180 divided by 12. Therefore x is equal to 15. Okay. Now see here, POR is equal to 5x. Angle POR is equal to हेलो हेलो reply me, are you understand or not? Hello. Nobody is giving reply. Say me yes or no. Hello. Students, are you there? Hello. Very good. Now, okay. Okay, see here. Write down in your notebook. Angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 180. Say this is result number first. From we can write this from linear pair of angles, but we have given that angle POR, angle ROQ is equal to 5 and 7 ratio. So therefore angle POR divided by 5 is equal to angle ROQ divided by 7 is equal to, say, some figure x. Therefore POR divided by x, 5 is equal to x, and ROQ divided by 7 is equal to x. Therefore angle POR is equal to 5x and angle ROQ is equal to 7x. And then take sum of these two, angle POR plus angle ROQ is equal to 12x. Say this is result number first, and compare, or you can write from result number first and 7 that 12x is equal to 180, therefore x is equal to 15. Then put the value of x. So you have angle POR 75 degree and angle ROQ is 105 degree. See here on the board. Okay, 75 and 105, and then POS and ROQ is equal to 105. Both angles are equal because they are vertically opposite angles, and similarly for angle SOQ and angle POR, which is equal to 75 because of same result vertically opposite angles. Okay. So now next. Okay. Next is exercise number 6.1. So If you have textbook, then open your textbook and see page number. Okay, I am just opening. Okay, page number 96. See page number 96. This is example number first. In the given figure, line AB and CD intersect at point O. If AOC, BOE, sum of AOC and BOE is 70 degree and BOD is equal to 40 degree, find BOE and reflex COE. Okay. So now first draw the figure in your notebook. Draw this figure in your notebook. I am also drawing here. Okay. Now what we have given. So angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. Angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. And reflex angle COE. Okay. Now this is line AB. Okay, these three angles on the line AB. AOC, COE, BOE. So what we have given that AOC and BOE. Okay, see here. It is clear that angle AOC plus angle BOE plus angle COE is equal to 180. Sum of these three angles is 180. From this, you know value of this. So this is 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180. Therefore, angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70 is equal to 110. So this is 110, and sum of these two is 70. So total will be 180. Now second one. What about BOE? So BOE. Okay. Now again, let me write it here. Angle COE, this angle, plus angle, this angle, BOD equal to 180. So therefore angle BOE is equal to 180 minus 150. That means 30. So this is 30 degree. Okay. And reflect angle. Reflect angle is minus 360. So COE, angle COE is equal to 110. Therefore reflect angle COE is equal to 360 degree minus 110 degree. So it is 250 degree. Okay. See figure again. Okay. Note down in your notebook. This is 110, this is 250, and if you can't see, then see here now. This is 180. XY and MN both lines intersect at the point O if POY is equal to 90 degree. A and B ratio of AB is 2/3. Find C. Okay. See this figure. Draw the figure in your notebook. Okay, now ready. So two lines MN and XY intersect at the point O. POY is given 90 degree. Ratio of A and B is 2/3. Then find out C. So for C, first see here what we have given, that A and B ratio. So therefore A divided by B, A by 2 is equal to B by 3 is equal to X. Say X. Previous example, A by 2, B by 3 is equal to say X. Therefore A by 2 is equal to X and B by 3 is equal to X. Therefore A is equal to 2X and B is equal to 3X. Therefore A plus B is equal to 2X plus 3X. Therefore A plus B is equal to 5X. Say this is result number first. Now from the figure, angle XOP plus angle YOP is equal to 180 because of it is linear pair. Angle of linear pair XOP and YOP, but XOP plus YOP for POY is given 90 degree is given. So therefore XOP is equal to 180 minus 90, therefore 90 degree. But what is XOP? What is XOP? A plus B. So therefore A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Say this is second. So from first result and second, see, right, left hand side are equal, A plus B, here also A plus B. So therefore we can compare 5X is equal to 90. Therefore X is equal to 90 degree divided by 5. Therefore X is equal to 18 degree. Not down in your notebook because I have it. Okay, X is equal to 18 degree, but see this is B is equal to 3X. Therefore B is equal to 3 into 18 degree. Therefore B is equal to 54 degree. I think you understand. Reply me again. Understand or not? If you not understand, then let me repeat it again. So B is equal to 54 degree. Now angle MOX plus MOX plus angle NOX is equal to 180 degree because linear pair. MOX plus NOX linear pair. Therefore, what is MOX is B. What is NOX is C is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, this is 54 plus C is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, C is equal to 180 degree minus 54 degree. Therefore, C is equal to 126 degree. So next, parallel lines and a transversal. Okay, so we will discuss about this point in our next period, parallel lines and transversal. But try to understand these first two examples. It is important. Note down also, and we will repeat it again if you not understand well. Okay, student. So with this, we are going to end up this period today, and we will meet you in our next period. Okay, till then, goodbye.